Hi, I'm David Mickey. Today we're on board my newest listing, a 2019 Azimut S7. The boat has just 440 hours and has spent a majority of its life in the Great Lakes freshwater area. Enjoy the tour. Built for speed, style, and effortless cruising. Powered by triple Volvo IPS 800 engines, she delivers a combined 2,400 horsepower and speeds into the mid-30 knot range. Joystick control, a bow thruster, dynamic positioning, and seakeeper stabilization make her easy to handle and comfortable both underway and at anchor. At the transom, the hydraulic teak platform creates a spacious waterside lounge, while also providing access to the tender garage, swim ladder, shower, and underwater lighting. Just above, the aft deck offers a large sun pad, outdoor dining, and a wet bar with a refrigerator, ice maker, and grill. A retractable awning provides shade, while the opening glass doors connect the cockpit directly to the main salon. Moving forward, the bow features another large sun pad, along with a private seating and dining area. An automatic awning makes this a comfortable space for relaxing throughout the day. Inside, the main salon is bright and open, with large windows, warm wood flooring, and contemporary Italian finishes. The open layout creates a seamless flow between the interior and exterior entertaining spaces. Forward, the galley features quartz countertops, Miele appliances, refrigerated drawers, freezer storage, a dishwasher, and dedicated wine storage. At the helm, dual 16-inch Raymarine displays provide access to navigation, radar, cameras, engine information, and onboard systems. Joystick control and electronic throttles keep everything needed for operation within easy reach. Below deck, 4 staterooms accommodating up to 8 guests. The full-beam master suite features a queen berth, large hull-side windows, abundant storage, and a private ensuite bathroom. The forward VIP includes a queen island berth, overhead hatch, dedicated storage, and its own ensuite head. 2 additional guest cabins provide flexible sleeping arrangements, while separate crew quarters are located aft. With triple IPS performance, seakeeper stabilization, 4 guest staterooms, and expansive indoor and outdoor living areas, Escapist delivers the perfect combination of performance, comfort, and unmistakable Azimut style. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you'd like to see the boat in person, give me a call at 239-872-7503. Have a great day.